Welcome back to Abner's Reviews. Welcome back, guys. So today we'll be reviewing the JBL Live500BT. So let's do it right now, shall we? Let's go. So this is the JBL Live500BT right here. So we have choices for our voice assistants, Google Assistant or Alexa. It has 30 hours battery life. So let's go on our features overview. So we have voice assistants, as mentioned earlier, Google and Alexa. We have ambient aware and talk-through features. We can make hands-free calls. So we have multi-point connection, wherein we can have two sources at the same time. Comfortable headband. A detachable audio cable. And fast charging technology. So here's what we have in the box of the JBL Live500BT. We have a charging cable. A 3.5mm audio cable right here. And we have the actual unit right here, the JBL Live500BT. It has a left and right on the ear cups. It has flexible ear cups as well. A comfortable headband, really nice to the touch. And now we're going to try and stretch it like here. One more time. Oh yeah. We can extend the headband right there, and the cups can swivel. So again, we can stretch the headband right here, and you can swivel the ear cups. These are comfortable, really. The cushions in there. So we have the main function buttons right here. Power LED, volume up and down, and the play pause button. We have the port for the audio cable right here. And that one is the Bluetooth pairing button. And the other one is the ambient aware and talk-through button. On the left ear cup, we will find the port for the charging cable. Okay, so there you have it for the contents of our box. Oh wait, we still have the user manual. We almost forgot, right? So there, the user manual for the JBL Live500BT. So that's all we have inside the box, guys. The manual, the charging cable, the audio cable, and the actual headphone right there. Okay, so just to add, the ambient aware mode is what you use when you still want to hear your surroundings while you're listening to your music. And the talk through mode is what you use when you want to speak with somebody else while you're listening to your music.
Perfect.
Okay, so there you have it, guys. So that's all we have for this review of the JBL Live500BT. So overall, it's really a great headphone from JBL. I like all the features that they have added on this headphone, especially the 30-hour battery life. That's really good. I've tried to drain the battery for like 3 days of normal use, and the headphone really still have juice after that 3 days of normal use. So the battery life is real good. I also most often use the ambient aware and talk through functions of the headphone, because I always use it at work or when I travel. So that way it's really convenient to just wear the headphones and never take it off. If you want to talk to somebody, you just have to use the talk through mode of the headphone. If you're walking down the street, you just have to go into ambient aware mode, so you'll still hear the surroundings while you're walking. So that's a really neat feature for the headphone. If I really have to just say one con for the JBL Live500BT, it's just I only have one, so it randomly shuts down. I don't know if there are interference for the Bluetooth connection. I really can't understand why it randomly shuts down at times. So it's not that often, but the headphone shuts down on me while still using it. But overall, it feels really good to use the JBL headphone, and it's comfortable, and it has a very nice sound to it, and you even have options on how you want it to sound. I would definitely recommend it for a middle tier of users. So that's all we have for this review. If you liked our video today, please toss a like down there, and please subscribe to our channel so that you get notified when we upload our videos in the future. And thank you for watching this video, and I hope I've given you something here and help you in any way. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. This is Abner's Reviews. I'll see you on the next one.